Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Join us on breathtaking adventure as we explore the stunning Hussainabad Waterfall, nestled in the heart of Skardu. Hussainabad Waterfall is essential stop when visiting the Skardu region. Hussainabad Waterfall is picturesque and serene natural wonder located in the Hussainabad village and 40 minutes drive from Skardu city. It is on the way of Brog. It is also called the hidden waterfall. Hussainabad Waterfall is also a perfect spot for travelers to explore the rich cultural heritage of Skardu. Watch as we explore the trail leading to this majestic waterfall, capturing the raw beauty of flowing waters, crystal clear streams, and the peaceful ambience of the area. We will also share insight about the local culture and the significance. Whether you are planning a trip to Baltistan or just want to experience its beauty from home, this video will take you on a visual adventure. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel explorations and hidden treasures.